In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report and block someone on Facebook Marketplace. If you've encountered a problematic seller, knowing how to effectively report and block them can help ensure a safer and more pleasant experience on the platform. So, let's dive right in to guide you step by step. First, you'll want to open Facebook on your device. Whether you're accessing it through the app or a web browser, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, navigate to Messenger. This tool is crucial as it connects you to your interactions within the marketplace. Once you've opened Messenger, the next step is to locate your marketplace conversations. These are typically found by looking for a specific marketplace icon or tab within your chat interface, which will aggregate all your communication linked to transactions. Now, you're going to identify the seller you want to report or block. This involves opening up the specific conversation with the seller. After opening the conversation, you'll want to explore the More options within the chat. This might appear as three dots or a similar button, providing you with expanded choices for handling the interaction. Upon accessing More options, one of the actions available is Report Seller. Selecting this will guide you through the reporting process. Reporting a seller is an important feature that helps Facebook keep its marketplace safe and reliable. It's intended for instances where the seller's conduct has been unacceptable or if you suspect fraudulent activity. You'll also find the option to block the profile from this menu. Blocking someone is a way to prevent any further communication from that person, ensuring they can't message you or interact with your profile in the future. It's a good step if the interaction was particularly negative or if you simply don't want to engage with them anymore. After deciding whether to report, block, or do both, you'll be prompted to specify the reason for your report. Facebook provides a list of common issues you might encounter. Examples include transactions marked as already sold, posts with inaccurate price or description, or situations where the seller didn't show up. You can report more concerning actions such as scam or bullying and harassment. Also, if you've encountered issues like stopped responding or didn't receive item, you can note these here as well. Select the option that best describes your situation to help Facebook understand the issue and take appropriate action. By following these steps, not only do you protect yourself, but you also contribute to the safety of the broader marketplace community. If you find yourself in a questionable interaction, don't hesitate to use these tools. Thanks for watching, and remember, your safety and comfort are paramount when using Facebook Marketplace.